you should be able to hear a little as you put it in. Right?
Tell me, will you really think it's more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything that's edible.
Hello, welcome back to another channel. Another channel? This ain't another channel, it's the same channel, it's another video. What am I saying? Hello, welcome back to another video. My name is Mos. As you already know, I cook on this channel. Now, on the menu for you guys today, what I'm going to be doing is snack. It's a snack time. I'm not making no main deal, main course or dessert or blah blah blah. It's a snack. So stay tuned, see how it goes. But I need you guys to subscribe to the channel. Once that's done, kindly hop over to Instagram. My words are all over the place. Hop over to Instagram, follow me there as well. The links are in the description below. Click the link, take you there, hit the follow button, job done. Bob's your uncle. Let's carry on. To begin with, we have a tomato. I've got some parsley from the fridge. It's been there for a minute. Got some cheese, and then I'm gonna bring in the rest of the stuff. All you wanna do is get your tomato. I always mix them up. Never mind about that. We're not gonna get to that. You just wanna, I did sharpen my knife. You just wanna slice it. Told you at the beginning of the video, my words are all over the place. So this is what you wanna do, okay? Try and get them fairly thin, so it's not, you know, bulky. I did sharpen my knife, I promise you that. Don't know what's going on though. Let's just poke it and then take it from there. There you go. There's that. Should we try and do maybe one more, or just take this out? Or just take it out. Happy days. It's still a bit thick, but there you go, right? So what you want to do is get rid of all of that. Put it in the plate. Okay, that's ready. Get your meat. Okay. Dash it in like so. Now you just want to marinate this with what? A pinch of olive oil, some paprika, okay, some of this lovely Persian saffron. A bit bulky today, isn't it? Yeah, that's enough. It's a lot, but there you go. You want to get yourself some pepper. You need yourself a fair bit of pepper. Get that nice taste going on. By the way, what I'm making here is more than what we need. This is going to be more than one portion. A pinch of salt. Yeah, so probably I'll make one for the video and then leave the rest to the side for after video maybe. I guess, right? And then some sumac. Okay, not that bulky bit. Get that in there. This stuff does taste nice. It's a bit in there, but there you go. Right? Now what you want to do is just mix it all up. Now you can put mayonnaise in there to give it a little bit more fat in there if you want, or you can put tomato puree in there. It's entirely up to you what other seasonings or anything else you want to add or subtract from this, right? I'm just going with this, keep it nice and simple. Very tasty as well, to be honest with you. That sumac gives it a nice smell, gives it a nice taste. That's that. Okay. Bring this out just to put it there. You want to get yourself tortilla number 1. And then just get your meat. Yeah. Pattern it out. Half of what you got or less, whatever. It's entirely up to you. See what you can do. But make sure you get the edges. You don't want just some dry bread sitting there. It's going to be like, you know, crusty bread by itself. No thank you. Are we good? We good? I think so. Leave that to be. What you want to do, yeah, just get them, press it down a little bit, and put one more here, and one more there. Okay, just press it down so it sits in the meat. Okay, and then you're gonna get your cheese. What you want to do? You want to sprinkle it on. Okay. It's like making a double-sided pizza, if you will, whatever you want to call it. I don't know. I'm just gonna call this one a snack because that's basically what it is. It is a snack. Now cover the sides so at least the cheese will stick to it. Not too much, but just enough to cover it, right? Get your bit of parsley, sprinkle it on. Obviously, if you got more or if you got something else, you can put like rockets in there, you can put radish in there, whatever. It's entirely up to you. You choose what you want to put in here. I'm doing me, right? There's that. And then put a little bit more cheese on top. Whilst that's going, actually, what we can do, get rid of that as well. Don't let that go to waste. Not that we've got a lot, but you know. Right, let's get rid of that. Let's turn this on so it heats up and it gets ready. Okay, put a little bit more cheese on the top. Okay. I believe that should pretty much so do, right? You want to get your frying pan, place it there, okay? Get one more tortilla, place it on top. Just give it a good press so it tries to stick all together nicely. Okay, now just a pinch of olive oil just so it doesn't stick. Once it heats up really well, then you want to place it in. Okay, I'm gonna go for it, guys. Are you with me? You should be able to hear a little as you put it in, right? Put that in there. Get rid of the cheese. Put the lid on that. Fits in quite nicely, actually. Let that do its thing. As you can hear it, sizzling. Got this here. Let's just see if we can. Yeah. I did turn it up a bit afterwards, so to get it crispy and all of that. Look at that, it's getting moist. Let's just have a quick look underneath that. Lovely. It's don't wanna. There you go. Press that down, keep it down. Stick together, yeah, you guys all got that, get that. Okay, now I'm going to turn it low again and then put the lid back on. let it do its thing, give it a couple of minutes. Right, it's been on low a couple of minutes now. Let's give it a go, see how it is. This is getting hot now. Here's what I'm gonna do. Okay, that's, yeah, okay. How are we doing? It didn't really stick too well. Flip it again. Okay, that's fine, that'll do. Just want to make sure. And now we take it off the heat. Oh no! Just get that out there before it really gets stuck. Okay, we can switch off the heat now. Get the knife. That's hot, of course it's hot. Let's put those on there. Can you guys see? Don't get stuck to that. Right, what you want to do? Yeah, nice crispy bread. And then it's all like gooey, cheesy in the middle. Melt the cheese and all of that. Yeah? Look at that. Gorgeous. Just gonna do my bit here. And then plate it up. Guys, it is bloody hot, like this stuff is, like, as you guys can see. But it's a nice, quick, easy way to make a simple snack. So, grab yourself a plate and then serve up. Simple. It's a very quick the whole thing probably took maybe 5 minutes, if that, you know, to cook up and that, of course. But there you are. I don't know about the presentation wise, but there you are. That's a nice little snack. Some couple of tortilla breads, some meat, some cheese, parsley and tomatoes. Bon appetit, share, like, comment, subscribe guys. I'll see you in the next video.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come up